Presenting Boult Audio AirBass FX1 True Wireless Earbuds. It is available in black, blue and white color variants. The box includes FX1 earphones, charging case, extra pair of earbuds, Type-C charging cable. It supports Type-C charging and user manual. It comes with dimensions 8.5 into 3.5 into 9.6 centimeters and weighs just 90 grams. This wireless earbuds comes with auto pairing that enables automatic pair with your device as soon as you take them out of the case. These earbuds come with passive noise cancellation that blocks out most of surrounding noises for you to enjoy music with sound quality. It offers up to 24 hours of total playtime. Type-C fast charging allows up to 8 hours of playback time for every charge. Carrying case can give 3 additional charges to the earbuds. This in-ear earbuds comes with built-in mic. It comes with voice assistant. This product is IPX5 rated, water and sweat resistant. These earbuds allow not only listening to both earbuds in stereo mode, but also it can be used as monopods to enjoy the music and take calls. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.